Well, good afternoon, and welcome to the State of Illinois' Wednesday, May 27th public briefing. I want to begin by thanking Jackie Joyner-Kersee for her just welcoming us to this neighborhood, to her center. I know that there will be activity here during the summer as we begin to reopen so many things across the state. She's been so dedicated to the children of this community and frankly to children all across the nation and set such a great example, and so it gives me great pride to have her standing here with us. I spent this morning in Meredosia with our Illinois Emergency Management Agency Director, Brigadier General Alicia Tate Nadeau, and with our National Guard Adjutant General, Richard Neely. The community there has really pulled together to fight the floods. And even the Triopia High School football team got out there to help build up the levee and keep their neighbors safe. Over the last few days, nearly 60 members of the Illinois National Guard have worked with local emergency management officials to protect the community there by depositing 150,000 sand along the Illinois River to supplement local flood prevention operations. National Weather Service projections had indicated massive potential flooding in the area. This work has likely saved many lives and prevented hardship for hundreds more. I want to take just a moment to say that our Illinois National Guard is second to none in the United States. Throughout the COVID-19 crisis, hundreds of Guard members have played a crucial role in protecting Illinoisans, including those right here in East St. Louis. Where rain or shine, the Illinois National Guard is operating our Metro East state-run drive-through and walk-up community testing center right here on the property. And that's what we're here to celebrate and call attention to today. I'm joined here at the community center by Mayor Robert Eastern, by St. Clair County Board Chair Mark Kern, Eastside Health District Public Administrator Elizabeth Patton-Whiteside, Leader Jay Hoffman, Senator Christopher Belt, and Representative Latoya Greenwood. This testing center is one of 46 that we have across the region of Restore, Illinois. That includes our 27 federally qualified health centers. Each day, this drive-through site can receive up to 500 samples from anyone who needs a test. These are free for the public to access. Tests are available to any essential worker like a grocery store clerk, a nurse, or a pharmacy worker, any first responder, anyone with COVID-19-like symptoms, anyone with a compromised immune system, or anyone with known contact with a COVID-19 positive case. We want testing to be as easy as possible for Illinoisans. You can find a testing site nearest you. If this isn't the closest one to you, you can find it online at coronavirus.illinois.gov. Again, coronavirus.illinois.gov. And speaking of testing, over the last 24 hours, out of 17,179 total tests, 1,111 came back positive. That's a single-day positivity rate of 6.47%. Remember that these are pure diagnostic tests. Illinois does not inflate our daily testing reports with antibody tests. That brings our statewide total of confirmed positive cases to 114,306, with over 800,000 tests run to date. The vast majority of those individuals who tested positive have already recovered or are experiencing a mild enough case that they're recovering at home. As for our statewide hospital numbers, as of midnight last night, we have 3,826 Illinoisans in the hospital with COVID-19. Of those, 1,031 are in the ICU and 592 are on a ventilator. I'm also saddened to report that we have lost another 160 Illinoisans in the battle against COVID-19, bringing our statewide total of lives lost to 5,083. These are real people whose lives came to an end because of this pandemic. They are grandparents and uncles and aunts and parents, cousins, children, friends. They had whole lives that were cut short because COVID-19 knows no boundaries and only seeks to destroy. We can never forget that. May the memories of those who were lost be for a blessing. For those watching at home in other parts of the state, East St. Louis is in St. Clair County, home to one of the pilot contact tracing initiatives the Illinois Department of Public Health has launched to help tackle a public health situation of this magnitude. In this work, I'm proud to announce that IDPH and St. Clair County Health Department will be joined by the East Side Health District here in East St. Louis, a trusted organization that has dedicated itself to community-based health services here in Metro East for over 70 years. It's exactly the kind of partnership that's going to help us reach and support more people, and I'm glad it will become one of our first 2 major contact tracing expansions.